So we're here this morning at Taylor's 4x4. We're going to do a full fitment on a Range Rover L322. The owner is a farmer, so he does a lot of towing, a lot of kind of muddy tracks and so on and so forth. So we're going to fit all the bushes we supply for this vehicle today. So the Range Rover's up in the ramp now, so we're just going to take a look at the bushes we're actually going to replace today. So we'll start off on the front. So we've got this rear lower control arm up into here. This is quite a strange one, it's a slightly offset bush. So that's going to be the first one to be replaced. There's then another one, which if we come around the front here, we've got in here, going into the subframe, just the kind of front lower control arm in here. And then just tucked up, just in here if we can see it, is our front anti-roll bar. So these are quite very common failures in these, and they can get a lot of noise and squeaking off them when they start to go. So we'll get them done as well. So on the rear of the car we've got several more bushes to go in here as well. So we've got the front upper wishbone, a rear bush and a front bush in there as well. These ones I've probably seen better days by the looks of them. And then we've got the lower wishbone. You can get the camera in there somewhere. The one at the front and the one at the rear is a bit more difficult to see. Tucked up there, a lovely bit of grass in it. And then we've got our anti-roll bars at the easiest. That's probably the easiest bush to replace because we can actually get into it nice and easy.
That one, the nuts off that one.
Yeah.
Moving, just leave it in for now until we get the air down.
So that one just started out 3 years ago.
Yep. That should be for there. That's easy, isn't it?
Yeah, slightly.
How's that look up there? Hey?
You don't see it in the old one? Yeah. Easy as that, just chuck it off. That looks real enough. It's gonna have music over it.
Something like that if you want to check it. We're pretty close.
It's probably thereabouts, isn't it?
Yeah, actually, yeah. If you got just a steel rule or something like that, just check the distance either side.
Okay, yeah. What the gearbox? Yeah. Use that and see if it'll push it up. There we go. Okay. Is there any sort of thread? Yeah. Okay.